Hi everyone, so with this video I'm going to walk you through how my SQL statements work in the database. So I'm going to plug them into the SQL query section of PHPMyAdmin here on the right, so I have the browser up. Right now I'm on the database for Acme and I'm underneath the SQL tab. So it's underneath this tab that I'll input my SQL statements. And off here to the left I have them saved in my enhancement to text file. So I'll use these SQL statements, plug them in over here, hit go, and then it'll alter all of the necessary items in my database and in my tables. So the first SQL statement is going to be right here. It is with this statement that I add Tony Stark and all of his info into the clients table. So I'm going to paste that in there. Next I have changing Tony Stark's client level to a level 3. So I'll copy and paste that as well. The third one was to replace the inventory name nylon with climbing, but only to change nylon to climbing if it's with that phrase nylon rope. So it cannot change nylon to climbing unless it's linked to the second word, which is rope. And so I'll go ahead and select this, copy, and paste it over here. So the fourth one was to only pick out the from the inventory and categories table, it would only pick out the inventory names and category names that had a miscellaneous category. So that is this SQL statement here. So we'll copy, paste, and then lastly we deleted the Koenigsegg CCX car from the inventory table. So I'll copy and paste that as well. And then I'm going to hit go and it'll change all the information in the tables, in their respective tables. Perfect. So everything was changed on here. It shows that they were all successful on this screen. And I'm hoping that I did this correctly, that this is the screen that needs to be shown with this video. But this bit of SQL code did change everything in my database, and it shows that it's successful here. Thanks for watching.